Luke and James, lovely to meet you. So in 50 words or less, guys, tell me what your business does.
So we are the world's first manufacturer of fixed polymer safety barriers for the industrial workplace, and we provide protection for the buildings and people in those facilities. The market didn't exist until we came along and invented what really is an engineered choice for safety within a warehouse.
We want to be the go-to company for safety protection globally. If people are thinking about protecting their factory, protecting their warehouse, they think of A-Safe.
What role does innovation play in your strategy?
We have our own innovation company called Fathom 3 that we set up in the last 12 months. We have, 70 people working there, and it's all about driving new products, new ideas into the marketplace.
So tell me a little bit more about this robotic production line. This sounds amazing.
It's got 44 tools on it, and it will produce the posts in a fully automated manner by mixing chemicals together, pouring those chemicals into tools. It has lasers on it, like James Bond, for cutting holes in things. It really is sophisticated.
So what advice do you have then for entrepreneurs to help them recognise current challenges and then solve them for a better tomorrow?
It's all about listening to your customers and listening to other people. You're not going to solve it first time, every time, but if you keep trying, keep testing, keep making, eventually you'll solve those problems and make great products and great innovations.
And finally, guys, looking towards the future, what is your vision for growth?
So the vision for growth is through digitising what we do and providing, safer, more efficient workplaces for our customers.
It really sounds like it, guys. Thank you so much. It's been
Thank
a real
you.
pleasure
Thank you.
talking to you.
Thank you.